1995 C1500 Silverado, regular cab Fleetside. This particular vehicle, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, about 88,000 miles on it, and that is confirmed actual miles. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter V8. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC, and more. And we'll get into the interior options on this truck, but it is a Silverado, so you know it's nicely loaded. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Get a good look at the front grille, fascia, chrome on the bumper, all showing nicely. Take a peek down the passenger side here. One thing you will notice, extremely clean truck. Doesn't appear that it's been driven in much more inclement weather at all. Come back here, check out these cab corners. Original, still has a protective coating on the corner of the box and what it came with. Speaking of box, we can take a peek at that also. No spray and liner or anything like that, so you get a good idea the condition of it. Tell this truck has not been worked hard at all. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the tailgate, chrome on the rear bumper, also in nice shape. Plastic's not all discolored. No peeling of chrome off the rear bumper. A couple common things you see pretty often on these trucks. And look at how straight it is down the driver's side also. Take a look again around the wheel wells. And of course the cab corner up here once again. Protective coating. Looks like much of this truck, if not all, is original paint. Couple real small dingers like they opened the door and got. Kind of just little dingers there. Kind of tough to get to show up. They're not real major, but I want to point them out. Interior also all original. Power locks, power windows. Split bench seat. Let me get away from this a little bit. I'll show you the true color of this. When I get on the burgundies, right there is the color of that interior. When I get up on top of it with the camera or videos, it starts to wash it out. So that is more of a kind of a deep red to burgundy interior. Tilt cruise, AM FM cassette. Here's your exact miles. 88, there you go, 88,326. We're gonna go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Make sure there's no check engine lights, anything like that on. So no check engine lights, no service engine soon. Radio and wipers work. Gauges up here, they are all working also. And again, clean Carfax, confirms those miles, no accidents. Headliner, interior. Tell the shape of that. This truck's definitely been well taken care of. So around to the back. No crazy exhaust, nothing sounding out of the ordinary on this one. And let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood. We'll take a look under the hood at the engine bay and wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice and tidy under here too. Clean that hood liner is for $95. Again, this thing hasn't been driven much for inclement weather at all. There's that 5.7. Again, power steering, power brake, AC, and nice and clean underneath there. That's what you'd expect with a truck with this kind of miles on it, taken care of like this. There you go, 1995 Chevrolet Silverado. Original miles, 88,000. Clean Carfax, no accidents. Give us a call at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.